Portable jump starters provide instant emergency power, ensuring reliable vehicle starts, safety, and independence during breakdowns anywhere, anytime without assistance. My today's video is about top 5 best portable jump starters that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Joltekon car battery jump starter. The VP28-in-1 multifunction jump starter is a powerful all-in-one emergency tool designed for drivers who want complete roadside confidence. With a massive 4500 A peak current, it can instantly start dead 12V batteries, supporting up to 9L gasoline and 8L diesel engines, even in extreme temperatures from -20°C to 60°C. What makes it stand out is its versatility. Beyond jumpstarting, it features a high-efficiency 150 psi air compressor with multiple inflation modes for cars, bikes, balls, and more, plus auto shutoff for safety. The built-in 500-lumen LED light with SOS and strobe modes ensures visibility during nighttime emergencies, while the power bank function keeps your devices charged on the go. The upgraded flame-retardant materials and intelligent protection system enhance safety against overheating, sparks, and overcharging. A clear 3.3-inch LCD screen provides real-time status updates for easy monitoring. Compact yet highly functional, the VP20 is a reliable roadside companion that combines safety, power, and convenience in one portable device. Now our second product is Acmount jump starter with air compressor. The Acmount 6000A car jump starter is a powerful and reliable all-in-one emergency solution designed for complete roadside confidence. With an impressive peak current of 6000 A, it can easily start fully drained 12V batteries, supporting all gasoline engines and up to 10L diesel engines. Built for extreme conditions, its dual-core cooling system ensures stable performance from -4°F to 140°F, making it dependable in any weather. Beyond jumpstarting, it features a high-performance 150 psi air compressor with 45 liters per minute airflow, capable of inflating tires quickly and efficiently. The automatic pressure detection, preset modes, and LCD display make operation simple and safe. It also functions as a massive 21,800 mAh power bank, allowing fast charging for phones and other devices via dual USB ports. The built-in 600-lumen LED light with flashlight, SOS, and strobe modes adds extra safety during emergencies. With 10 smart protection systems, it prevents sparks, reverse polarity, and incorrect connections for worry-free use. Compact, durable, and highly versatile, this 10-in-1 emergency kit is an essential travel companion for every vehicle owner. Our third product is AUXITO car battery jump starter. The AUXITO 6000A car jump starter is a powerful and intelligent roadside emergency tool designed for reliability and convenience. With a peak current of 6000 A, it can easily start all gasoline engines and up to 12L diesel vehicles within seconds, making it suitable for cars, trucks, boats, motorcycles, and even heavy-duty machines. It also performs well in extreme temperatures ranging from -20°C to 60°C, delivering up to 60 jump starts on a full charge. One of its standout features is the smart LCD digital display, which provides real-time battery percentage, charging status, and clamp connection feedback, removing any guesswork. The one-touch boost function and intelligent clamps ensure safe and reliable starts, even in low-voltage situations. Safety is a priority with its 10-layer protection system and spark-free smart clamps, preventing reverse polarity, short circuits, and overloading. The built-in 3-mode LED flashlight, steady, strobe, SOS, adds extra security during nighttime emergencies. Compact and lightweight, it also doubles as a 12,000 mAh power bank with dual USB ports, making it a practical all-in-one travel companion and a great gift for drivers. Now number 4, VTOMAN jump starter with air compressor. The VTOMAN X7 jump starter is a high-performance all-in-one emergency device built for power, safety, and versatility. With an impressive 4250 A peak current, it can easily start all 12V vehicles including cars, SUVs, pickup trucks, and even 10L gas or diesel engines. It delivers up to 70 jump starts on a single charge and includes a boost function for starting completely dead batteries. Beyond jump starting, the X7 also works as a smart tire inflator with real-time pressure detection and a large 5.1-inch intelligent display. It supports PSA bar and KPA units and can quickly inflate a 30-inch tire in about a minute with high accuracy. The large screen makes monitoring battery level and inflation status simple and user-friendly. Safety is well covered with 10 intelligent protections, including anti-spark, reverse polarity, and temperature control, while the honeycomb cooling design improves durability and performance. It also functions as a power bank and features a 400-lumen LED light with multiple emergency modes. Compact yet powerful, the X7 is a reliable roadside companion for emergencies, travel, and outdoor use. And our last choice is Auxbeam Jumpstarter with air compressor. This 3000A car jumpstarter is a compact yet powerful roadside emergency device designed for reliability and convenience. It can instantly revive dead 12V batteries for 6.0L gasoline and 3.0L diesel engines, delivering up to 20 jumpstarts per charge. Built with ultra-safe technology, it ensures secure and spark-free operation, even in extreme temperatures ranging from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. One of its key strengths is the built-in 150 psi air compressor, which automatically stops at your preset pressure for safe and accurate inflation. It inflates tires up to 25% faster than many standard models and supports PSI, kPa, and bar units, making it useful for cars, bikes, and sports equipment. Safety is well prioritized with 10 protective layers against overcurrent, surges, and incorrect connections. The rugged ABS housing adds durability while keeping the unit lightweight and portable. A bright 2.4-inch display clearly shows battery level, pressure readings, and error alerts, even in direct sunlight. With dual USB ports, emergency lighting modes, and a glovebox-friendly design, this 6-in-1 tool is a practical all-in-one solution for road trips and emergencies. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.